Hi, hope you're having an amazing day. As you saw from the title of this video, today we're going to be doing if I can only keep 10 lip products, what would those products be? Now, because I'm really indecisive, I have some pairs, but we're going to have to choose just one out of the pairs, girls. So we're going to do 10 only lip products. We have a gloss section, a lip liner section, and a liquid lipstick section. So if you want to see the products that if I could only keep 10 products, which ones would I keep? Just keep on watching. Why don't we start off with lip liners? Okay, I cannot choose. I just love lip liners, but we're gonna have to choose one out of the three. I am gonna swatch all these products on my hand, girl, and we have a couple of them on the lips as well. So why don't we start off with the J-Cat Roll It Up Auto Lip Liner, which is a newer favorite to me, as you guys know. This one is in the shade 110. It's gonna be the battle of the lip liners. This one has really blown me away. I love the color. I actually really like the formula as well. So this is really nice, really inexpensive. It was $1.49. We also have two of the EBIN NY Auto Lip Liners. I have one of them on the lips today, which is this one in the shade brown. These were just $1 at any like general store. But these two from J-Cat and EBIN NY are so similar. You cannot tell them apart. So this is the J-Cat and then that's the EBIN NY. So I think I have officially found a dupe for my favorite lip liner in brown. And then we also have the dark brown, which is also another gem. All of these are rather similar, but you can definitely tell this one's deeper than the other two. If I could only keep one of my lip liners, I would choose the EBIN NY Auto Lip Liner in the shade brown. You guys know I have gone through hundreds of these lip liners. I love it. It's inexpensive. It's a beautiful color. It's a beautiful formula. It doesn't glide on, but it's not too dry. It's like a nice medium kind of product where it's like it kind of goes on really easily, but again, it's not super glidey where it's like too creamy and it's getting everywhere. And I'm able to be really nice, really precise with this product. It's actually the liner that I have on today, so I really love the EBIN NY Auto Lip Liner in brown. Definitely recommend. Also the J-Cat Beauty if you're on the market for one. We have some lipsticks. These are actually from Revolution. These were sent to me a couple months ago, but these are just, honestly, I don't know the name because it's not on the packaging. But we have two of the lipsticks. This one is Stiletto Brown, and then we have this one in Material Girl Wine. So these are really nice. These are more on the matte side. I love the packaging. There's a look at the brown one. Stunning. We have the pink one, which I did use recently in a video. Oh my goodness. So if I could only keep one of these lipsticks here, girl, the packaging is nice and weighted. I love how it's like frosted looking, but if I can only keep one of these forever, let's say, I would keep the Material Girl Wine. I know you're probably shocked, but I don't own a lot of pink lips. I love the shade pink for everything else, but when it comes to my lips, you know, it varies. I love me a brown lip combo. I just feel like it just goes well with my skin tone, so that's what I wear. So I would get the pink one because if I could only have this one pink lipstick, I'll be happy because it's an amazing formulation. It's nice and pigmented and it's just stunning. So I would keep the Material Girl Wine. Also formula is 10 out of 10. So if you haven't tried these out, I definitely recommend. Do it, girl. And they have a huge variety of shades in this line. Move on to liquid lipsticks. We have a couple of the Remi Rose liquid lipsticks. These are probably the cheapest products in this video, not counting the AOA Studio lip glosses I'm gonna talk about. But I have three shades that kind of look similar, but I did throw in a pink shade so I can compare it to the lipstick that I talked about. So these are the Remi Rose liquid lipsticks. If you haven't seen them at the Dollar Tree, these are amazing and I just love them. You guys know all three of them are actually in my everyday makeup drawer, so I really like these. First off, we have the shade Samantha, which is a beautiful neutral tone. It's stunning. Love this. These are beautiful, cute, travel sized, and also the formula is amazing. This is the one that I've been using all week long in the shade Lindsay. It's just a little lighter than Samantha, but both of them are beautiful as well. We also have this shade in Drew, and these are just specifically like their nude tones, but they also have so many other shades that you can choose from. There is Drew, another beauty, And then let me swatch this pink one in the shade Camilla so you guys can see like what's going on. It's like giving me vibes of that lipstick. They're like a beautiful dark pink kind of moment. So if it came to choosing between these here that I have, I think I would go with Lindsay. I just really been enjoying Lindsay because it's more mauve-y than the other shades. It's like the shade in the middle. It's like a nice pink kind of, it gives me a hint of pink without making it look extremely pink, you know what I'm saying? Like it's nice, like subtle pink lipstick for me. So this is the one that I've been reaching for, and I definitely recommend, girl, try it out. But any of these liquid lipsticks that calls out to you, I recommend. Remi Rose, super underrated. I don't hear anyone talking about them, but girl, you should check these out because they're so good, travel friendly, amazing price point, $125 at the Dollar Tree. You can't beat it. So good. Another affordable liquid lipstick that I have been loving is the liquid catsuit from Wet n Wild in the shade Rebel Rose. You guys know, if you know, this gives me vibes of that Lindsay shade that I just talked about. This is just a little more expensive, but the shade is a little more punchy. It just shows up more. It's right there. It's the most beautiful mauve pink tone. Those are just the tones that I've been into as of lately. So this is the one that I would keep because that's the only catsuit that I own. I also have two of the melted mattes from Too Faced, and you guys know these go head to head. I love both of them. We have the shade Cool Girl, which is the neutral tone, and that's actually what I have on over top that lip liner today. It's just such a beautiful neutral liquid lipstick. Love it. The formula is also amazing. They're a little expensive, but girl, if you like happen to have a coupon or something, or if you can afford it, girl, grab one because they have so many shades to choose from. Amazing. So if I had to choose between these two, you guys know what I would choose. I would choose Cool Girl because it's just stunning. It goes with everything. I love how it pairs with my Ebony York auto lip liner. It's just so good. So definitely grab one, girl, because they have a huge variety of shades. It's wild. They've been around for years. The price point is just not, I remember these used to be $18. And now they're like 20 something dollars, which is wild. Everything's going up, girl, but the shades, the formula, everything about these is amazing. We have one more liquid lipstick. It's a Smashbox Always On liquid lipstick in the shade Bawse. This is the most perfect red tone that I own. It's a nice like blue, it has like a blue undertone to it. It's just stunning. If I want to feel powerful, you know, a powerful woman vibe, this is what I wear. And the name is Boss, so you know, a boss woman kind of shade. It's just stunning. Again, blue base red. It wears beautifully. It's nice and like not too matte. It's nice and comfortable, and also I feel like it doesn't transfer easily either. So I really much enjoy this line. So definitely check it out if you happen to be at Sephora or wherever they sell it. Yeah, check them out. It's actually a newer find to me. So Beauty Creations Plump and Pout Plumping Gloss Stick, and I recently used it in a video with you guys, and it looked amazing, and it doesn't really sting the lips, which I really enjoy. I got the shade Glazing for You, and it's one of those like clicky pen glosses, but I'm telling you, girl, this is stunning. Most beautiful glossy look to the lips, and also the shade itself is stunning. So if you're into those plumping glosses and you happen to like the clicky pen kind of style that's out right now, I think you're really gonna enjoy Beauty Creations because one, they have a lot of amazing products already in their line, but also it's affordable and cute. So check that out as well. AOA Studio lip pops are $1 on the AOA Studio website. So these are probably the most affordable lip glosses that I have in today, and they're just so good. Now, I did mention these in a top 10 AOA top 10 Shop Miss A video recently. I think I filmed that yesterday actually, and I forgot to mention that these are cute. They're gloss, they're pigmented. What they lack in the glossy aspect, they give you in pigment. So if you're more into like, I just want a little bit of pigment with a little baby bit of gloss, I think you're really gonna enjoy these glosses here. This one here is in City Girl, which is beautiful. It's not super glossy, but it's a nice kind of moment, kind of like what I have on today, where it's like a nice subtle gloss. It's not like too in your face, it's not stringy. These are a nice like subtle kind of gloss moment, but again, what they lack in gloss, they give you in pigment, because girl, these are beautiful glosses. And sometimes people don't want a in your face punchy gloss So there's a look at those two. The pink one is in the shade Wild Child. So if you happen to be on the market for a lip gloss, definitely check these out from Shop Miss A. Beautiful. I have a two from, oh actually, well, if I could only keep one, I would tell you, pick the City Girl one up. This one's amazing. I have these two, no surprise to you guys if you guys have been on my channel. These are two from Temu. I talk about them all the time. JOLLYJOJO in the shade 05, and then we have Fantastic Beauty in the shade Pretty Please. I'm gonna go ahead and swatch Pretty Please, but this is not really the one that I would keep. I would keep the more neutral one. You guys know me. There's a look at the pink one. Again, it is mixed in with like brown, so it's not like the original tone, but I really love these glosses from Temu, and I definitely recommend. Again, mixed in with some brown, but there's a look at the brown one as well. They're just beautiful. Now these are really glossy, so if you're into that, I think you're really gonna enjoy these. Also really affordable on Temu, maybe like $2 or whatever on the site. Love the packaging, love everything about these, so definitely check these out as well. Lastly, we have the Milk Makeup Lip Oil Glosses. Amazing. These were sent to me. You guys saw them in my, I think it was like a vlog where I unboxed them for you guys. So they sent me a couple of shades, but I have three right here. This is probably my most favorite. This is in my everyday makeup drawer as of lately. But this one here is in the shade Adventure, which is such a beautiful purple tone. Girl, these are really comfortable. This is actually what I have on the lips today. I'm going to show you guys the shade that I wore. But there's a look at the purple one. Again, I do mix them with my brown lip liner, so it is what it is. We have the shade Soul Search, which is a nice like pinky moment. I don't think I've worn this one yet. Oh no, I have. There's brown in it. It's a light pink moment. And then this is the one that I have on the lips right now, and this one's in the shade Wander. It's just like a nice pink gloss. Might throw some on now. And these smell amazing. If you know MAC lip glosses or lipsticks, they smell like vanilla. It literally smells like this. Not only that, but the actual like doe foot is really nice and easy to apply. And again, these are nice and glossy and comfortable on the lips as well. Again, they do have lip oil in them. Extremely comfortable, extremely glossy. Definitely grab these, girl, if you haven't already. These are amazing. And that was it. That was the last product in today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I really enjoyed swatching all of them. If I could only keep one of those glosses, I completely forgot to say, I would keep the purple one because it's just stunning. Love. But that is it. Let me know, have you tried any of these products? What lip products would you keep if you could only keep 10? Let me know in the comments down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe before you leave, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.